Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout of this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then simply tap on the display. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the screen timeout. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got some kind of short and long options. We've got 15 or 30 seconds, and the 30 seconds option is currently applied, or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to change the timeout, we have to tap on the option we'd like to use. I will pick 5 minutes and now go back. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.